Hello and welcome again. This video we're doing some laundry cabinets for very nice lady. Stay tuned. Remember to always use your wood sealants before working with wood. Check out the species and always use 2 coats or more. I didn't get the chance to record the painting process, but look how nice. Told me, Ma, don't you eat lunch too? Just kidding, the next job we were using contact cement, making lamination on these cupboards. Yep, check out how they looked. Remember to send me an email if you are interested.